Want to streamline your print-on-demand business with Odoo? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Qikink to Odoo step by step. So let's get started. Qikink is a print-on-demand platform that helps you sell custom products without managing inventory. By integrating it with Odoo, you can automate order processing, inventory management, and customer tracking all in one place. Before we begin, make sure you have a Qikink account and Odoo account, API access for both platforms. First, log into your Qikink account, go to settings and find the API section, generate an API key, then copy and save it for later use. Now log into your Odoo account and go to settings module, enable API access if it's not ready, turn on. Next, go to the inventory or sales module to set up third-party integrations. To connect Qikink, install the required Odoo module for API integrations. Then enter your Qikink API key in the integration settings. Save the configuration and test the connection. Once connected, you can sync products from Qikink to Odoo by going to the products menu and selecting sync with Qikink. Similarly, incoming orders from your store will now appear in Odoo automatically. To ensure everything works, place a test order and check if it appears in Odoo. If there are any issues, verify your API keys, check for module updates, or review error logs in Odoo. And that's it. You've successfully connected Qikink to Odoo. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Odoo integration guides. See you in the next video.